Hi guys, so literally in the bathroom again for today's vlog. So my hair is wet right now. I know the lighting's kind of bad in the bathroom. You guys know I've been wearing my hair curly just naturally lately because it's honestly super easy, but lately I have seen so many people using that Dyson Airwrap and it's kind of made me want to get one, but really hard to pull the trigger on a $550 blow dryer contraption thing. Leads me to, I was at Walmart yesterday and I found this, but it was $35. It's Conair, but this just totally reminded me of the Dyson Airwrap, like how you can click in like different contraptions. So I thought I would share with you guys how I try to style my hair today with this. So it has like a brush. This is probably if you want it straighter. This is probably if you're wanting a little more volume. And then from what I've seen online, I don't think this is like the Dyson Airwrap where it automatically like grabs the hair and like curls it. I put all my product in it already, my heat protectant and everything like that. So now I'm just gonna test this product out and see how it does. So far, I will say, like this piece isn't even fully dry yet. I've had to go through it like 20 times. Still not dry. So maybe it would be better if I had my hair like a little rough dried first, just with like a regular blow dryer and then go through it. Still kind of figuring this thing out. I'm gonna try this little contraption too. This is with the kind of brush attachment. I feel like this piece looks really pretty. This took a couple minutes though, just to get this one piece. So I'm gonna keep going, see how it goes. I feel like it would be better if my hair was kind of like a little bit more dry first before doing this. Like you wouldn't want to do it with your hair super, super damp. I'm feeling like if your hair is not extremely coarse and curly like mine, you will love this because it'll give you like a really nice blowout look and it probably wouldn't take as long as using a brush and a blow dryer. For me, having really coarse hair, I feel like maybe it needs a little more power behind it. So this is pretty much what my hair looks like now that I'm done, and I think it looks pretty. This attachment is kind of cool for after it's dry. If you just want a little more wave in certain areas, like right here, these little bangs, you just turn it on. Because I did read online that this attachment was better for dry hair, and then it does just kind of give it a little bit of curl, obviously, with its when it's on. And then I kind of did that a little bit to the ends too. I probably used that blow dryer for way longer than I wanted to today. So I definitely don't think it was faster, but my hair does feel like really shiny and I do like the finished product. It wasn't faster for me. Maybe I just need to continue using it and like get used to it and stuff. If you're the type of person where you don't like using a round brush and a blow dryer at the same time, I think you will love this product. I also was thinking it would be great for a refresh. I don't blow dry my hair every single day, or like wash my hair every single day, so I feel like between washes it would be nice to just kind of like refresh it. So anyway, this is what it turned out like, and I think it's pretty. Kind of looks like a salon blowout. Something else I want to show you guys, I just got a pair of jeans in. Can't do this with one hand. So I just ordered these from Abercrombie and Fitch. They were doing a sale on jeans and I love their denim. I've talked about it a lot. I haven't tried these on. They just came. I didn't get the short length. I just got the regular because the regular length usually fits me fine. I have not tried these on yet, so we'll see, but I'm gonna try them on real quick and show you guys what they look like. But these are really cute because they're like straight leg, but they have a little slit on the side. So we're gonna see what they look like on. I thought I would be fine with a regular. They are a little bit long, so maybe if I try them on my shoes, they'll be okay. I also wonder if they would shrink in the dryer, but do we chance it? So I do think they're really cute. I feel like they fit well everywhere else. It's just the length. They would be perfect with heels. Ooh, I should try on a pair of my new boots and see if they work with that. Just put them on with boots and then a sneaker on this one. Honestly, I feel like with shoes, they're perfect. And then we would have to see if, you know, they would probably shrink a little bit. The length would probably shrink a tiny bit. I'm gonna have to think about this one. I'm not 100% sold yet. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this yet. I think they're cute. I actually like it with the sneaker better. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Keep or return? Okay, it's actually several hours later in the day. I went to the grocery store. I was gonna do like a little grocery haul or something, but it was sort of mass chaos for a little bit. We're down to one car right now because Joshua's car's in the shop. I had a little window to go to the grocery store and he was gonna be late for his appointment, so I brought in the groceries and we were just like shoving them in the fridge and putting them away real fast. So I'll do maybe a grocery haul next time or something. I had mentioned to you guys in my last video, my favorites video, that I am obviously obsessed with the press-on nails. Can't get through a video without talking about them. I have been getting a lot of questions about them lately, especially like on Instagram. When I show them, I always get a lot of questions. Sorry, I'm trying to get this little sticker off of this. But I thought I would do like an in-depth step-by-step of exactly how I do these nails, because a lot of you have said you've tried it, they don't stay on very long for you. They always last me 2 weeks. I might have like 1 or 2 pop off occasionally, but I'll just glue it back on. And sometimes they even last longer than 2 weeks. So I had shared in that favorites video that these are the ones that I get. They're the Impress ones. These are the ones that actually have like a sticky back on them. I thought this color was really, really pretty. I add a drop of glue to the back of them and that makes them stay way longer. Anyway, I just think this color is gonna be so pretty. First, what I always do, I just trimmed my nails. I usually trim them like pretty short before applying them, and then just file them a little bit so it's nice and smooth. Then I take a buffer that has some grit to it. This is just like from Walmart. And the purple nails that I just got, these are from Walmart too. But you can literally, I feel like any, you know, press-on nail that you like, you can use this technique. So, little buffer. The package always comes with like a little cuticle thing and a little prep pad and a little mini nail file, but I always just use my own stuff. You have to have a buffer that has grit to it, and you go over all the top of your nails and make sure, I won't do it on camera because I feel like that will kind of drive some people crazy, that sound, but I go over all the tops of my nail beds really, really well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Another thing I wanted to say is I am liking that blowout. It's super, super humid today, so I feel like when I went to the grocery store and stuff, I lost a little bit of the shape I had earlier, but I feel like it still looks really nice and this will last me a few days. But man, this is like the first time I've worn my hair straight in a long time, and I was like, wow, my hair has gotten pretty long. So now it got me thinking, like, for fall, should I cut a little bit off? Or if I keep wearing my hair curly, I probably won't, because you don't really notice as much length when you wear your hair curly. So anyway, I don't know. I'll have to figure out what I kind of want to do. They're all buffed now, so I take a little cotton round next. One of these. And then I use 100% acetone. This really helps just completely dry out the nail bed, and just kind of like any of that dust on my fingernails now, it just kind of gets all that off. Then I kind of go through and I pick out which size nail is gonna fit me. I have all my sizes of nails set out here, and this is the glue that I use. I buy this separately, it doesn't come in the pack. No glue comes in these packs. So this is the one I buy. They also have like a little paintbrush one. I've just noticed for me, this one works the best. I just take the little back off of this, add a drop of glue, and then pop it on my nail. Okay, so this is what they look like as soon as I put them on, and then I just go over them a little tiny bit with a nail file. I'm walking up the stairs, and is this just the cutest little face anybody's ever seen? Hi, buddy. Good boy. There's my shadow right there. Come on, buddy. So I hope today's video is not like the most random, boringest video ever. I had big plans for today's vlog, and then just like a lot of little things keep coming up because I'm like, oh, I better go run and do the groceries. We were actually able to go pick up Joshua's truck. We just did that, then he had to run out again. But it was so funny because I thought he was right behind me, and then he ended up calling me like an hour later. Apparently he went and like test drove the new Ford Bronco, and I was super jealous. I was like, oh my goodness, I cannot believe I wasn't there for that. So he was like, I'll take you back. But apparently he said it was really cool. Anyway, I am just getting dinner going. I just put burgers on our smoker. We're gonna do like sweet potato fries. I've shown our burger salad before on my channel because it's sort of like, it's one of those meals we make once a week. We just love burgers on our Traeger. The air fryer situation has totally changed my life. I didn't have one at our house, and here at my parents, they have one here, and I'm like, I don't know why I didn't get an air fryer forever ago. So I did order one from Zulily, and I'm really excited about that. So we've peeled our sweet potato. Basically all I do is I chop it up, and then I use a little, I'll show you guys. I use this olive oil spray. I feel like I don't use as much if I use the spray, and then it's just easy to kind of get like an even coating over everything. And then I do a tiny bit of salt, and then I just pop them in the air fryer, and then there's a fry option. So that's all you have to do. Super easy, and they're delicious. Even my mom was like, because I made them for them one night, she was like, oh, I don't really like sweet potatoes, but she loved the sweet potato fries. I don't really like sweet potatoes either. So if you're one of those people, still try it, because I think you guys might be pleasantly surprised with the air fryer fries. All right, so the burgers have like 5 minutes, and Joshua just got home. He's just changing his clothes, and what I normally do, I normally kind of, sorry, I feel like the lighting is terrible. What I normally do is I get my plate all ready. So then when the burgers come up, I can just throw it on there and eat. These are all of my toppings, and I have my lettuce right here. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, Joshua might want me to cut up some avocado, so I might do that. He doesn't eat the pickles, so I will pretty much take all of those. And then I throw some onion on it. We just use our hands around here because it's just the two of us tonight. All right. Then I always use, oh, I have to get out my mayo. I always use this mayo. It's just my favorite. It's not healthy or anything. I use this and then put my burger. It'll have cheese on it. And then we have our sweet potato fries too, which I need to get out. And I feel like I am just sweating because I honestly feel like today is like the hottest day that it's been all year. You go outside and it's, here in Michigan at least, we're not used to this. You go outside and it just feels like a sauna and like you can't breathe. Joshua, do you want avocado? Okay. Burgers are done.
All of this?
Yeah, if you want. I already got mine.
In this shirt.
You really are.
I always am.
I'm sweating because I don't know, I just am. It's really hot. Okay, this is our sweet potato fries. I feel like they got a little overdone for some reason. Maybe because I left them in the air fryer after they were done. Still good. Our plates don't look very appetizing after they're all, this is a lettuce plate, that's a non-lettuce plate. After they're all mixed together, but I promise, they're good. I guess that's it for today's video. Thanks for popping in. So, hope you guys are doing great. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you're new or haven't subscribed yet. And I will see you really soon in my next video. I was waiting for the wave.
It's my trademark.